Well, howdy folks, IanCraft1. On this occasion, I come to explain how to make money using Chat GPT. So, okay, intro, and here I explain you. Lately, around here in 2023, it has become trendy to what are the following titles: Chat GPT and content automation, and how can we put the two together to make money? Well, basically it comes down to the following basta, that ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence which we can use for this own. Artificial intelligence, through words that we give them, create scripts and create what are, well, right for us, basically text scripts that we can convert to audio and take that audio and with some video automation programs, then create content. And well, the question that everyone asks themselves, what time do I need to start generating income, and that income then return? And that this income, because they can already feel it, they can have it in their hands. Well, basically this depends, because if you are already a content creator and you have a monetized channel, you would start to generate income with GPT Chat, because right now. But if you don't have any media in which you can monetize, you can start creating a channel and then monetize it, a YouTube channel. I also see these contents on Facebook. Recently I was watching a very interesting video, and when I stop, and I see that the editing is a bit strange, and the voice seems to me that it is a human voice, but basically it has some robotics, and I say, wait, this was made with LPT chat and video automation. Then I say, wow, it has millions of views. Then there are many people who are doing this. What happens is that if you are determined to create content of this type, the time is now, because we are at the time of the beginning. As you know, the first people who monopolize these areas are the ones who are left with the competition, and then from there it is difficult to enter. So this hour is the time to start making money with ChatGPT, with video automation. So what is the first thing
I don't know what
to
they have to do
Basically
first.
use ChatGPT. We're going to go by directing you to openai.com, which is where we use ChatGPT follow from your cell phone using ChatGPT. I show you how to install it and how to use it. It's there in the video description and on a card up here.